So we're picking up the KZ today. Finally, my stepdad just bought the new trailer for the business. And so last time I rode the KZ, rode it over to my buddy's shop here, and ended up breaking down. And so we pushed it here. It's been sitting here for a couple months. That's why we haven't done videos. So I pushed it outside today, and we're gonna pick it back up and get rolling on it again. Check it out. I left it outside here. Left the key and everything in it. I don't care. Whatever. This is officially the farthest the KZ has ever gone without me having to push it. It's finally back, guys. I know you guys have been waiting forever and forever and forever to see this guy. I almost did a good intro there. I almost did it. I almost didn't stumble on my words. You guys have been blowing me up about this bike. When's part 2 coming out? Where's part 2? Where's part 2? I want to see part 2. It's finally back. Let me tell you what happened since it's been gone. I did get it running, and went for a nice ride, my buddy Zach and I, and we made it, what was it, about 7 miles, I think, just before his shop, or no, I think we made it right to his shop, and it decided to sputter out and die on me as usual, and so pushed it into his shop, and there it sat for I don't know how many months. Pulled the carbs off of it, and I gave them to my stepdad's dad. Step-pop-pop. Step-grandpa, we'll call him. And he's the carburetor guru, so I gave him the carbs, and he dived right into them. Started playing with them. What he found was that the stock jets that came with the KZ650 were 90s, and this one had 120s in it. So obviously there's where our fuel problem is coming from. He took and he put 102.5s in it, gave me the carburetors back, and I just slapped them on real quick, fired it up, and it started, it ran, but it ran at an extremely high idle. So, like I said, I just slapped the carbs on. I gotta set the idle screw, adjust the cables and all that stuff, and fingers crossed, it should be running after that. I know it's gonna be raining the next couple of days, so hopefully this rain goes by fast, and then I'll be able to start tinkering on it. But until then, I wanted to be able to push an update out for all you guys that keep asking. For those that are just stumbling on this video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and keep leaving me comments. You guys have been leaving such cool comments and giving me all kinds of good advice in the first video. Keep doing that for the rest of them. Give me a follow on Instagram, always posting pictures there. And if you haven't yet, check out my video about the new bike over there. And we'll see you in the next video.